you have to do for clearance is you gotta air hammer the firewall or frame. Make sure this. Just to get enough clearance for the alternator to scoot all the way back. Stupid. Plenty of room now, baby. Install new bearings, new studs, and waiting on a little ball joint and rotors, and then this. Everybody, she's alive. She died. Smells good. Oh snap. Forgot my TPS. She's alive. Yeah, baby. Alternator built, and I gotta buy me a new TPS sensor. I don't know what happened to it. I think I threw it in the trash. And then finish up plumbing the radiator, cool lines. I got new spindles I'm putting on there. Well, not new, but VA spindles and rear trailing arm. It's the EX model EF hatch. Their axle spline is only 23 spline, and the DA is a lot bigger. I didn't know that. I went to install the axle and it didn't fit. What else? Need to finish. Shorten this fuel line. This is the return line. It's a little too long, so I got to shorten it up. Then I took the master cylinder off and lost the bolt. Or not. Now I gotta find new ones and extend the alternator wire. Made it a little too short and it doesn't reach the fuse box. What else? Got one of the brake lines done. Driver side's done. Passenger side next. Got the passenger side finished. Now time to disassemble it. gonna be switching out my radiator setup. I didn't like how the old setup was set up. But it sat the half-size radiator sideways. So I'm finding this off of eBay. It's a Volkswagen Rabbit, one of them little pickup truck. I think it's 12 inches tall and 24 inches wide. So I'm gonna try to modify this, get it to fit in there a little bit better. So I'm gonna notch this out in order to get the radiator to drop down a little bit and come out a little farther. Got it all notched out. Radiator fits pretty good now. Ouch. Had to get a new gas tank. The old one was all rusted all through here. Didn't realize it was leaking until I filled it all the way up and it was pouring. So Rock Auto, I think it was $109.